All right, let's look at the homework 10.2, problem number 2. All right, here. So what we want to do is we want to find a point and a slope, and that's pretty much all we need. All right, so we want to find one point. All right, I'm gonna call it x1, comma y1. Alright, so this is at the t equals 1, so I'll just plug it in here. Right, so 1 minus 1 over 1 is going to be just 0, so it's x1 is 0. And if you plug in 1 here, 9 plus 1 would be 10. Alright, so we have a point. Alright, then we need to find the slope. So number 2, slope. Right, so let's call it m. Right, so we need to find the derivative. So we want to find the dy over dx. So, but everything is written in terms of t. So we're going to take the derivative of y with respect to t, and the derivative of x with respect to t. All right. So derivative of y with respect to t would be simply 2t. Alright, and derivative of x would be, let's say derivative of t is 1, and derivative of negative, t to the negative 1 would be put negative 1 in front, so it's going to be plus, and t, and subtract 1 from the power, so it's negative 2. Alright, so we have that. Then we just have to evaluate it at 1. So you have a 2 times 1 is 2 on top. Alright, and a 1 plus 1 over 1 squared, so it's going to be 2. So it's going to be just a 2 over 2, which is going to be just 1. Alright, so therefore, equation would be y minus y1, 10, which is equal to, slope is 1, and then x minus x1 is 0. Alright, so we can actually just add 10 to both sides. So we have a y is equal to x plus 10. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, y is equal to x plus 10. Alright, let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.